Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are walking through the city of Mons and we are checking out all of the elephants. It's an elephant parade, so here we go. These elephants you're able to see as you're driving around or walking around the city center, and some are like all isolated in the middle and some are spread out. I don't think we'll find all 35. So we're gonna go out and go walk around, and these were made, as I understand, they were made for like a fundraiser to raise money for elephants. So here we go. We're excited to go see all of them.
Yep. Oh, and also they're very close to each other, so it's actually going to be very easy to find.
Yeah. Literally street parked when I could have gone here for free. But how cool is all this art? Here we come to our first one. Boom. And there's actually a market here too. What a fun find. This is
Called the multitasking.
don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It is called the
This is called Panta.
Yeah. Well, I'd call this the multitasking.
And every single one has a card to go with it.
Wait, what's this one?
Right at the other end of this cute little market, by the way.
It does have a...
We saw this elephant.
Called an amulet.
Amulet?
And it's arts and crafts.
It looks so cool, huh?
It's called arts and crafts.
Amulet. That's pretty cool. There's like a whole scene on the side.
Go take a look.
This is pretty cool, being all misty and keep you cool. Probably.
That one I want called Stories. And it has a heart.
Stories, very cool.
Come on, let's take a picture.
Bollywood action hero? Yeah. This downtown area is really cool just to see all the time and to walk around.
This is my Bindi.
Bindi?
My favorite one.
That's pretty cool. Bayon? Oh, Bayon with a B. Very cool. Hills Donuts, you got what kind? Cookies and cream? How is it?
It's good.
Okay, and you got, who did you get? Elsa, what does it taste like? Oh, you haven't eaten a bite yet. Alright, and you got Anna, which is the same, so what do they taste like?
Vanilla.
Vanilla?
It tastes a little bit like strawberry though, just like a little bit.
I got speculoos. Here we go.
Well, I for the only people at this store. Truth in the jungle.
Truth in the jungle. Very cool.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You look tired. A tiger, a squirrel. You look so tired. Oh, and also right here.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching. I know that ended kind of abruptly. We got rained out. We were not fully prepared. My bad for not checking the weather. That's very typical here in Belgium, is rain, rain, rain. So if you're gonna go out, just be ready for rain. It was enough that we couldn't just keep hanging out. Otherwise, we would have just like stuck it out in like a drizzle. So it is still going on until I believe mid-September or maybe end of August. Don't quote me, I don't know. But super cool. If it ever comes to your city, totally go check it out. If you have any questions, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more family, travel, whatever adventures, and baking videos. I'm trying to get back into that. So I hope you guys have a great day.